Hello, June garden updates. Hello, welcome to 7 Savings Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. So I just want to give you guys update of what's going on in the garden. So the weather hasn't been really great. We've had temperatures ranging from like 50 degrees to like 90 degrees, so the plants have just been struggling, but some are doing well, some are not. Hopefully with the temperature uh, going to be 75 consistently going forward, I think they're gonna pick up and we're gonna see much better results. So let me just show you what we have over here. We have this garden egg right here. That's okra. Pumpkins are also coming along. Another garden egg. Here I have sweet bitter leaf right here. I have some tomatoes. This is the last tomatoes that I planted. It's still young. This is okra right here. More pumpkin and okra. You have spinach right here. And this is the kale that I planted last year, and I just pruned it so that way it produces more leaves. And on this bed we have the same thing. We have okra, we have some herbs right here. You have green, African green, that is it right here. And we also have sweet bitter leaf on this bed right here. So I also planted corn. So I didn't plant corn in all the areas. I just planted corn like in this line, in this row right here, like this. So I planted pumpkins on the fence over here, so that way they climb on the fence, and it's gonna give them enough room for them to expand, and we're gonna be able to harvest a lot of pumpkin leaves and also pumpkin. So here we have some tomatoes. These ones are also doing well. We have pumpkin, more tomatoes, corn. So this is a kale over here, and I just left this kale to produce seeds, so that way I have more seeds for next year and the years to come. So these are already seeds. You can see the size of these. It's gonna give me a lot of seeds right here. So the rest of them I cut all the flowers off. I still have these flowers that just came out, but we're gonna get a lot of seeds from this kale right here. Over here I have more sweet bitter leaf. You can see the colors some of the colors are yellow. It's just the temperature and the cold temperature, and then it goes back up. Over here I have my potato patch. I have potatoes in bags right here. These are the first things that I planted in May, beginning of May. So we should be able to harvest them like in a month or so. So over here, this is if you watch my last videos, my couple of videos that a couple of videos ago, I made this cage over here with my tomatoes. So the tomatoes are doing well. They're coming along. I have quite a few tomatoes already. You can see this is the only one that has produced bigger tomatoes, but this is a different variety. Tomatoes are doing good. So I still have some small ones that are still coming up, but I think they're gonna be good. Over here we have corn, we have pumpkin. You can see the pumpkin climbing the fence right here. You can see a bug. I have a bug already started eating my pumpkin. Need to try to eliminate some of them. If not, they're gonna just eat away at the pumpkin leaves. So I have corn, green, okra right here, more corn, pumpkin. So they are all over here. They're doing well over here. This is the end of the trellis. We have another variety of, these are cherry tomatoes right here. The other one was better boy over there. I have garden egg over here, and over here I planted so you have some corn over here, and I also have huckleberries. Planted some huckleberries over here, and then we have more corn and different you have pumpkin, you have different things over here. Have some huckleberries down here over here too. Have some huckleberries. Down here I also have some potatoes. I planted some potatoes. So huckleberries right here. So here we have potatoes. And over here I have some potatoes and some huckleberry on the beds over here. And this one is the bigger, much grown huckleberries. They are getting better. Hopefully in like 2 weeks, 3 weeks, we should be able to harvest these. So I have more huckleberries over here. Some of these we're gonna try to transplant some of them to other beds, so that way it gives the rest of the ones that we have here more space. Have more pumpkin, potatoes, pumpkin and potatoes over here. I'm gonna try to see if I can make a little arch over here for the pumpkin. I have some strawberries in containers right here. And over here I have my potatoes. I have potatoes in this. It's about 25-gallon containers. I have potatoes in these ones, and I have potatoes in this other one over here. And this is the strawberry barrel that I made. As you can see, we harvested quite a few strawberries already. Here I planted strawberries in the bag. And you see, it's doing well. So I still have a few things that we have to transplant, and we're gonna have to, some of these we're gonna give to friends and family. But those are some of the things that we have over here. Right here we have carrots. Right here we have 3 containers of carrots. Right here we have onions. You can see the onions that we planted, and there's a video that showed you how to plant this onion. Take a look, and this one is garlic right here. We have a few right there. And then we will have on this bed all these sweet bitter leaf. These are the other kale plants that I have. They are also doing well. On this bed we have water leaves. They are picking up. They're trying to germinate. And this is a salad mix that I planted. Look at the beautiful colors. It's ready to be harvested. So I'm gonna try to see if we can harvest those. And then over here we have a lot of green that just came out. The seed spread in this bed last year, so the seeds just germinated this year. And over here in my raised beds I have sweet bitter leaf in this raised bed right here. We already harvested some of the sweet bitter leaf over here. And then in this bed right here we have water leaf. And the water leaf is also doing well. Should be able to harvest this in, I'll say, in about a week or 2. So those are some of the things that I'm growing in the garden over here. I can show, let's go to the other side and I'll show you what I have on this side of the garden. So So I have my compost pile right there. Then over here I have more pumpkin, garden egg, planted pumpkin in the bag right there. You can see they're doing well. Have garden egg right here, pumpkin. Then the small leaves are huckleberries. Huckleberries over here, they're all doing great. You have some potatoes and some pumpkin on this end of the garden. And then here I have my pear tree right here. Hasn't produced flowers yet, but it's being shaded by some trees. And then over here on this side, my other raised bed, here I have a few potatoes over here. I have sweet bitter leaf, pecan right here. They're all doing good. Like I said, the temperature hasn't really been above 70 consistently, so with the temperature getting better, we're gonna hopefully see much better results. I have some chipmunks and some squirrels digging up the garden over here. I need to find a way to eliminate them from this garden so that they go somewhere else. So if anybody has any great ideas on how to get rid of chipmunks, or how to eliminate or how to scare the chipmunks away, please let me know in the comment below. I put this scare tape right here, but it's not helping them. It's not sending them away, but hopefully I'll find out a different way of making sure that they don't destroy the raised bed. Okay, that is it for today. I hope you liked the video. If you like the video, please smash the like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to share. Thanks for watching. Happy growing.